closer to the edge, okay?
Look, he's trying.
You'll align.
I think somebody's controlling mine because I'm not doing anything. Can you stop?
Can you make it go the other way? Good job.
I don't care. Oh yeah, I do.
Good job.
I'm real sad for how slow they go. They go fast. I think I fell all that quick. Yeah, I know that.
This should actually be their vehicle.
What? I'm gonna go backwards.
You mean reversing it?
Yeah, I reversed it. Look at this. Look how I made it.
Cool.
Look at it.
Oh, 2 guys on there?
It's hilarious. 2 at a time.
You can't win without a guy on anything. Because then there's no one. Can't even remember which route we're at.
Hey, it's working.
Nope, the guns or ray guns permitted on this.
You just don't have to just turning it around. How? You just move your foot. Incoming car.
Where do I put this? Oh.
Working for you, because it's not working for me either.
Are the gears touching?
No, they're not.
Okay, so push it down a little bit.
There you go, finding a piece.
Oh, wrong side.
Hey, they can turn.
Well, look at me.
Oh, watch out!
My guy, your guy's stuck.
My guy got ran over.
Go. That's right.
Yeah, you cheated. Yay, I win. And I couldn't figure out. I got it working for him.
Whoa, is that going too far or what? You've got this too far.
Alright, you need help me on this.
Yeah. Hold on one moment.
Do this.
No, let's see something.
Dude, you're missing.
Awesome. Good job.
See? Can you stop it? Oh!
Uh-oh.
I got minus 4 thingy jigger.
Good job.
I'm gonna be
Nice.
You're going to get a recording of mine breaking, I think.
Are you serious?
I think.
No.
Come on.
You recording?
Good job.
My
Yeah.
teeth breaking.
Backwards time. Oh yeah. Stop.
Awesome. Good job.
Stop.
But then it pops out.
Stop.
Let me take it apart.
An actual 6.
Not an expert. Even I.
Can you turn it for me?
Jimmy, Neutron?
What is it?
Yeah, Jimmy Neutron.
That thing's fast.
What is
Look. I didn't do anything. I get to do 2 things. That's not. I actually want to put down.
Hey, mate. Oh, dope.
Finish. Wait.
Oh, what?
You don't have to.
What?
My parents don't know it. They don't work there either.
Okay.
I just go like.
Fall off again.
Does he doggy? These need to be pushed in these holes.
There you go.
Yes, I found a place to put my thingy. Yippee. Hip hip hooray!
There you go.
Who is that?
There you go. Good job.
You took my character's head.
All going.
That.
Remote swing boat. There you go. We got a Ferris wheel flying.
Ferris wheel flying.
There you go. Looking good.
You have to turn it off.
There you go. Go ahead and turn the remote. Looking good. All right. Yeah, we'll have to catch it if it keeps
On
going.
the website, parents are welcome.
Turn around. Turn around.
Everyone.
All right. Chameleon. That doesn't happen very often, and it's got a ton of steps. Great job. Chameleons do go slowly.
You know that's always bad, dude.
All right, dude.
It is just
All right.
so weird.
Now you're ready to add like the ears. And
I'm doing it on the floor.
got the horse and buggy going. There we go. Have that nickname now.
Good job, Aiden.
Orbiter and the rocket. Here we go. Good job. Another model choice. Perfect, perfect. Alright, so now let's look at the camera.
Stop it before it falls.
Oh, hold on.